Alrighty, what I'm about to do today is do a unboxing of the Ridgid framing nail. 20 to 21 degrees, 20 to 22 degrees. They say it's the best in its class, shoot 8 nails per second, versus the competitors, which it says is 3 nails per second. It shoots 3.5-inch round-headed framing nails. Alright. It has a magnesium metal housing. What else? Free parts and service, limited service agreement, registration required when you buy them. Fill out the registration work so your warranty is not void or inactive. Some of the specs on the side of the box. It weighs 7.3 pounds. Kind of heavy for working, but not really. Most people like lighter tools. Fastener type is full round head. Nail diameter is 0.11 to 3 inches through 0.148 inches. Nail length, it shoots from 2 inch to 3.5 inch, 3.5 inches. Magazine capacity, it holds approximately 60 to 70 nails. Correlation type is 20 to 22 degrees plastic attached nails. Height and length is 14 inches by 21 inches. So those are the specs. Its model number, I don't know if you can see that, it's R350RHF. A little under 200 bucks, depending on where you get it at. Roughly 200 bucks. So let's go ahead and unbox. See what we get in the box. Set this to the side. Alrighty. As always, you have, of course, you have the instructions. Alright, operator's manual. Be sure to read it. Make sure you oil your tools, keep them clean. Make your tools last longer. You also have a fastener guide, another guide. Alright, multiple different languages. Ridgid pneumatic tool fastener guide. Alright. And you also have the warranty information. I believe you have to go online to fill out your warranty. Set up your warranty information in the service agreement, which I will be doing. Alright. It also comes with a little bit of oil, tube of oil, and an Allen key. Alright. Set that to the side. And the last thing in the box, let me make sure that's the only thing left. Yes, the last thing left in the box is, of course, the tool itself. Alright. So let's go ahead, take it out of the plastic. We'll set it down, you can get a look at it. Alright. It has the swivel air hose connect. Alright. It also has the joist hanger. You can actually hang it upside down. All right, if you're on a ladder or something, running ceiling joists or something like that, doing any type of framing, this is where you load your nails in the bottom. All right, this feels pretty good. Doesn't feel that heavy. Has a rubber guard on it so you don't damage the face of the wood if you're doing a project in which you need framing nails in, but you don't want to dent it. This also comes off, of course. But what else? Not much to it. It has an adjuster right here for single or bump fire. And the handle's very, I like the grip. Alright. Haven't tried it out yet. That's pretty much it. And in order to turn the adjuster, you have to push this button on the reverse side out, and then you're able to maneuver the switch back and forth depending on what your application calls for. Pretty much, that's pretty much it. It's not much to it. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to go ahead and end up using the tool and doing an actual review of the tool. I'm going to show you me using it, how the nail fastens, you know, how good it fastens, penetrates through the wood. I'll give you a unbiased review. This video is not sponsored by Ridgid, of course. Also here, forgot to mention, you also have your depth screw. Depending on the depth that you want the nail to go, it be driven into the wood. So I'll actually get some use out of it, and actually give my actual honest opinion, unbiased review of it, and we'll go from there. Catch you on the next video.